Welcome to my channel Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I am going to show you a foot mask for cracked heels. As you know, during winter season many of us suffer from cracked heels. So this DIY foot mask is here to rescue you from this problem. So friends, this is my feet before applying the foot mask. So for the foot mask, the ingredients are 4 tablespoon rolled oats. Do not take ready-made oats or instant making oats. Take 4 tablespoons of ground rolled oats. Next I am going to take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. After that I am going to take 1 tablespoon of honey. I am using all the natural products because for my channel I always use natural beauty tips. And next my fourth ingredient is 3 tablespoons of milk. So friends, now I am going to prepare the foot mask. At first in the bowl, combine all the ingredients well. Now mix all the ingredients well so that it becomes a gooey mask. Friends, if you think the mask is too thick, put more milk to the mask. And if you think the mask is too runny, then add more oats to the mask. Always use powdered oats for this mask. Friends, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil so that my feet becomes very smooth. As you know, olive oil moisturizes the skin very well. Friends, this is the consistency of the mask. Look, if you still find that the mask is too sticky, add a little bit of milk to the mask. Now my mask is ready. Next I am going to take warm water in a bowl to soak my feet. In this warm water I am going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. I am going to take more water in the bowl so that it soaks most of my feet. Soak your feet for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, exfoliate your foot with a pumice stone or a foot brush. This will help you to get rid of all the dead skin. Scrub your feet very gently to get rid of all the dead cells. Now that I am done with scrubbing my feet, I am going to pat dry my skin. I will pat dry my foot to apply the mask. Now take a couple of small handful of the foot mask and apply it on your feet. I'm going to apply it all over my feet to get the best results. I'm also going to apply it on my heels as I have cracked heels problem. Friends, after applying the mask, I'm going to scrub it for a while to get rid of all the dead skin on my feet. Friends, after scrubbing it for a while, I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes or up until it's dry. Friends, after 30 minutes, I'm going to wash off my feet with warm water. After washing the feet, I'm going to pat dry my feet. Friends, you can use this mask for 2 to 3 times a week. Don't use this mask regularly. If you scrub your skin regularly, it's going to make your skin more dry. After pat drying my feet, I'm going to apply a moisturizer to my legs. Friends, you can see the difference from the first use. This foot mask is very effective for people who have really dry skin on their feet, and also this foot mask is very helpful during winter. Friends, one thing I want to share with you all is that since all the tips in my channel are done with natural ingredients, so you will get the results slowly, but you will surely see the results. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Natural Beauty Secrets to get more amazing tips. Thank you. Bye.